Press the System menu button on Toolbar and then click on Settings. Choose Hanging Protocol tab. Click Add New Group button. Enter the group name in Name field. Enter the group description in Description field. Select the devices for which the group's protocols should be applied. Clicking the button with device name enables or disables selection. Click Add Condition to specify the conditions for the group. Select DICOM or Special Tag and Tag drop-down list. Choose the Evaluation Operand in Operand drop-down list. Enter the value in Value field, for example MG modality type. Select Enable to activate the group in the Active field. Click the Create button when all the group data is entered. Now a new group is created. Press Save Settings to save changes. Now a new group is saved.